In today's fast-changing world of home design, people no longer fill their rooms with large, heavy pieces of furniture. Instead, modern households are moving towards smart, compact, and stylish solutions that fit into smaller living spaces without sacrificing beauty or comfort. This shift has created one of the most profitable opportunities for woodworkers, furniture makers, and creative entrepreneurs: the world of compact wooden furniture. These small builds carry enormous earning potential because they use fewer materials, take less time to craft, and attract a huge number of eager buyers searching for pieces that improve their lifestyle and save space. And that's exactly where your creativity becomes your biggest advantage. Compact wooden furniture offers a perfect combination of simplicity, function, and modern style. A small table that fits into tiny apartments, a minimalist floating shelf for a narrow hallway, or a simple stool that doubles as decor. Each of these small items can quickly become a bestseller when designed with intention and crafted with care. Buyers look for pieces that make their homes feel bigger, more organized, and more beautiful. And since these items are small, lightweight, and easy to ship, they create a fast-moving marketplace where your designs can bring you steady income month after month. This narration will guide you through the world of compact furniture ideas that sell quickly, explaining why small wood builds have become one of the most profitable categories in today's market. You'll gain insight into what buyers search for, how to select materials that maximize your earnings, and how simple tweaks in design can turn a regular piece into a high-value product. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, these ideas will help you transform small pieces of wood into big opportunities, the kind that grow your skills, your confidence, and your income all at once. Small furniture has become a booming category in home decor, not because people want less, but because they want more flexibility within their living space. Compact homes, studio apartments, shared living arrangements, and minimalist lifestyles have made small wooden furniture essential. But the real power lies in the fact that small builds are fast and resource-friendly for us as makers. That combination, high demand and low cost, is what creates strong, reliable profit. Let's begin with one of the most popular items: small tables. These include narrow coffee tables, mini bedside tables, tiny corner stands, and compact consoles. They fit perfectly into tight spaces and give buyers a sense of order and elegance. A well-crafted compact table becomes an instant favorite because it solves the issue of limited room without cluttering the area. And from a builder's perspective, these tables require minimal wood, straightforward joinery, and very little hardware. That means you can produce them quickly, sell them at attractive prices, and still enjoy excellent margins. Next is the world of floating furniture, a must-have category in small homes. Floating shelves, floating nightstands, floating bathroom units, and floating corner accents are among the most profitable pieces you can create. Buyers love how these pieces make rooms look bigger by lifting the furniture off the floor. They also appreciate the modern, clean look that floating elements bring. Even the simplest rectangular floating shelf can turn into a bestseller when photographed beautifully and presented with different finish options. And because you're working with small pieces of wood, often leftover from bigger projects, your cost stays low while your income stays strong. Compact storage furniture is another powerful seller. Think of small wooden cabinets that tuck under desks, tiny organizers for the kitchen, mini shelves for spices, or narrow racks for toiletries. These pieces serve a practical purpose in every home, regardless of its size. People want clean counters, neat shelves, and orderly closets, and compact storage solutions make that possible. These builds are simple to design, easy to customize, and perfect for batch production. Buyers appreciate how these pieces transform clutter into structure, and you benefit from being able to sell many units in a short period of time. Multi-purpose furniture sits at the top of the demand chart. A stool that doubles as a display stand. A mini bench with storage. A folding table that opens when needed and disappears when not in use. A small rack that works in the kitchen, the living room, or the office. People love versatility. When you create multifunctional pieces, you're not just selling wood, you're selling solutions. And solutions command higher prices. These items also photograph well and often become customer favorites because of the convenience they offer. Another trend that drives strong income is stackable and modular furniture. Stackable shelves can be rearranged. Stackable stools can be stored easily. Modular cubes can be used as tables, storage, or decorative units. These pieces are easy to produce, highly customizable, and perfect for buyers who want flexibility. And since customers often purchase multiple units at once, your earnings multiply quickly. This is one of the smartest categories for woodworkers who want to scale their business. Don't overlook small decor furniture, such as tiny wooden stands for plants, mini pedestals for artwork, wooden risers for coffee bars, and small display platforms. These items play a major role in modern interiors because people love adding layers, height, and character to their rooms. They're extremely fast to make, often using very little wood, yet they sell at surprisingly strong prices because they elevate the look of a home. They are the perfect blend of small size and big visual impact. One of the biggest secrets to making strong profit with small furniture is understanding finishes. A smooth, well-sanded piece with clean edges can look luxurious even when the design is simple. Modern buyers love matte finishes, natural oil coats, walnut stains, and light Scandinavian tones. These finishes blend beautifully with contemporary spaces, making your compact pieces appear more valuable. And because the items are small, you use less stain, fewer coatings, and minimal hardware, again increasing your profit margins. Material selection is another key to earning more. Since compact furniture uses small quantities, you can experiment with higher quality woods without spending too much. Walnut, oak, maple, bamboo, birch plywood, all of these elevate your builds instantly. Compact wooden furniture proves that even the smallest builds can create the biggest opportunities. With minimal materials, smart design, and strong market demand, these projects give you a path to steady income and limitless creativity. From floating shelves to tiny tables, from multifunctional pieces to portable decor, every compact creation becomes a step forward in your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed this narration, we put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.